Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI A3 and I'm gonna show you how to change picture size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard picture mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the third position we have the picture size, so let's pick it. And now we can manage the quality of the picture in megapixels connected with aspect ratio. So of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality here, which is 12 megapixels to each ratio, but you can pick whatever you need. And now let me show you the difference between these two ratios. We have 4:3 and 16:9. Now let's stay on 16:9 and let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is the difference we can see by our eyes here. Another tap to the left corner and to the picture size, and let's go back to 4:3. In the camera preview we can see that this is the shorter one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.